Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah and today I will be showing you how to do your own nails in the comfort of your own home. These nails are so cute, so classy and sturdy, and all you have to do is invest in a little bit of money to save yourself a whole lot of money. So if you want to know how to do your own nails, keep watching. So here's everything that you need. You will need nail dehydrator, cuticle clipper, cuticle pusher, a hand file, UV light, nail glue, builder's gel, a nail dust brush, and also top coat polish. So these are the nails that we'll be using, the Btartbox nails. And get into these nails, y'all. The natural nail bed, the French tips, cute and classy. They also have instructions on the back of the box as well. So before we get started, I just want to show y'all this set right here is 3 weeks old. I'm sure they could have went another week or so. The only thing that was changing was they were starting to get a little round. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand file and I'm going to shape my nails up, and I'm also going to go over the nail bed up to the cuticle just to remove all that old nail glue and the buildup. So I did go ahead and wash my hands so that I can soften up my cuticles. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push those back, and I'm also going to lift them up as you will see in the video. And this is what I do so that I can basically slide the press on into the nail bed. So now I'm going to size the nail, and you want to make sure that the nails fit your nail from one side to the other. So I will rotate my finger from left to right. So this is the reason for that little pocket we created by the cuticles, making sure that the nail slides in there. So once you got that perfect fit, with me, I just like to double check my nail to make sure that it is fitting from one end to the other a second time. And y'all, my nail beds are kind of wide, so I know if I can fit these nails, I'm sure you can too. I didn't even have to go in and file the sides of them because sometimes it just be like a little bit too big and you have to file the sides down, but I didn't have to file these down at all. So once I get my nails, I always place them to the side so that I can just have everything ready to pick up and glue down. So here are my nails that are ready, and these are all the nails that I have left over. It's still a lot, and usually I just put them on my daughter and I just use just basic nail glue. So now I'm just going over my nail bed again with the hand file so that I can get my nails prepped and ready for the next steps. Next, I'm going to take my nail dehydrator and I'm just going to put this all over the nails. And then I'm going in with the nail glue and put them on my nail as well. I'm just going to take a thin layer and I'm not going to go all the way up to the cuticle. And once I put that on, I'm going to go over the nails and cap them at the end. Once we have that on, we're going to put our hands in our UV light and we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. One thing that I didn't do that I usually do with all my other press-on nails is I usually take my e-file and buff up the insides, but on these I didn't and they still lasted 3 weeks. So with our nail glue, I'm going to take some and I'm going to coat the inside of the nail, and then I'm also going to drag it just like that along the ends of the nails and push the glue upwards. After we have our glue on, we're going to slide our nail inside that pocket we created, press down firmly and hold your finger under the UV light. Now I did have to sit mine up. If you have spillage, all you will do is take your cuticle clipper and you just clip that right on off. As you can see, our nail is on perfectly, nice and firm and tight. It's not going anywhere. Now this step will take some getting used to. I didn't have a whole lot of spillage at all. I think the thumb was the only nail I had a little piece of spillage on, but my nail bed are so short, so it doesn't require a whole lot of glue. And if you keep doing it, getting your practice in, you will get better and better. So I already know basically how much glue I will need for each nail. Once I have all my nails on, I'm just gonna put my whole hand up under my UV light for the extra security. And here are our nails. They are already looking so good. Going back in with my hand file, I'm just going to file off the tips from when we pulled our nail off, keeping that file as straight as possible. I'm not gonna do anything far as shaping because these are so square. I just want to get that little piece off at the end. Going in with our builder's gel, we're going to place this on the nail, and to get your nail to not chip, what you're going to do is you're going to cap off the ends. You're going to do that with the builder's gel, and you're also going to do that with the top coat as well. You'll see that in a moment. We're not even done with our nails yet, and they are already looking good. As you can see, like from the left hand and the right hand, once you start putting that coat on, getting that shine, they are looking salon quality. Now I do have like rhinestones and stuff, but I'm not going to put those on. I'm just going to leave them just as they are. Once we have our builder's gel on, we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Then we're going to go on top of that with the top coat and cap off those ends and cure that for another 60 seconds. Now I will show you the nails like with and without the top coat and builder's gel. Adding that makes a huge difference. Look at that, y'all. Looking so good. Now all that's left is for you to put some cuticle oil on, put you some rings on, and bam, you got yourself some press-on nails that look like you walked right out of the salon, saving so much money because y'all, these nail shops be charging an arm and a leg, and sometimes it's okay to be pampered, but I prefer to do my own nails, and look at that, voila. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.